Okay, so close your eyes, everyone. I'm gonna show you my face today, and you'll have to tell me who am I. Otherwise, I'm gonna eat you. You want me to eat you up? Close your eyes, everyone. Zuna, close your eyes. Yes, no cheating. Okay. Open your eyes. Tell me, who am I today? Tell me. See, I am wearing the print. I am wearing the print. See? Tell me. Sound which we are going to learn. I have big legs. Yes?
Cheetah.
Yes. Cheetah. So I am today not Kiran teacher. I am Cheetah. Who am I?
Cheetah.
I am Cheetah. Yes. So whosoever will be naughty, I'm gonna eat you up. Okay, so don't be naughty and learn your all words properly. Okay, otherwise, today Kiran teacher was very tired. She said, I am not gonna teach today. She said me, and I am Cheetah. Are you ready to study with me?
Yes.
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 Okay, so let's roar like cheetah. Like a cheetah. Roar, everyone. Everyone roar. Roar. Yay, very good. Wonderful. Cheetah is happy. Cheetah is happy and everybody is getting star. Very good. Okay, so you're sitting on? You're sitting on?
Chair.
Chair. Very good. You're sitting on chair. So which sound you're hearing? Which sound you're hearing? Ch, ch, ch. Which sound? Which sound you're hearing? Ch. Yes. And why we are making a train? Why we are making a train? Tell me. Train. Train. Sing with me. Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill. Choo choo choo. Okay, how is it? How is it? Trains are chugging up the hill. How is it? Trains are chugging up the hill. Okay? Okay? Say repeat, otherwise cheetah will be angry. Repeat, otherwise cheetah will be angry. Everyone say yeah. And what is the action? Do this. Yeah, do this. Yes. And yes. Have you seen ever train chugging? Have you seen it? Observe it, okay? And see, like this it goes. Okay, everyone, repeat it, otherwise I'm gonna eat you. Zuna is not doing, I'm gonna eat you. Okay, yes. Very good. Okay, so we are going to learn some words also. Do you want to write it with me?
Yes.
Where is your train? Where is your train? Where is your train? We are going to write words. Kiran teacher is not there today. Today Cheetah is there.
Teacher, I will go in teacher.
No, cheetah is there. I am cheetah. I am not Kiran teacher. Okay, very good. Wonderful, Ishani. Wonderful, Anamika, Zuna, everyone. So let's write words. Let's write words.
Wow.
Oh, wow, Zuna, we're wonderful. Wonderful. Grandma did a great job.
Ma'am, look for me.
Yes. Where is Suzanne? What are you saying?
Look at my friend.
You have to tilt your camera, darling. Adjust your camera. How I will see. Yes. Okay. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Have you seen Kiran teacher's train? May I show you my train? See my train. See my train. Chugging up the hill. Chugging up the hill. So how is it? Beautiful. Beautiful. Is it?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
Pooja.
Poocha?
Look.
Poocha? What is Poocha? I am cheetah. I am cheetah. I am not cheetah.
Teacher. Mommy.
Say cheetah. Say cheetah. Don't say Poocha. Okay. So write the word. Teacher is saying that you have to write the word. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Now can you okay. On the mouth of the train you will write. We'll write which sound we are going to learn. Ch. It is ch. Digraph. Okay. Ch digraph. It is a digraph. What is this? Repeat after me. Don't talk, otherwise cheetah will eat you up. Digraph. Everyone, repeat. Digraph. Say everyone. Yes. Digraph. And what is digraph? Teacher had taught you what is digraph. I will tell your teacher. They don't know anything.
Unlike paper and
What
shoes
is digraph? Two sounds. When two sounds meet, they make one sound. So this is digraph. Yes. So which two sounds are there? Which two sounds are there? Answer me, otherwise I'll eat you up. I'm ready to pounce on you. Everyone. Sound. 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 Two sounds. Yes. Two different sounds. And making one new sound. Ch. Ch. Okay. Making one new sound. Ch. I am hungry. Nobody is listening. Whom should I eat? Tell me. Whom should I eat first? Tell me.
Look my picture.
First.
Look my picture. Look my picture.
Not you. No, I'll eat Zuna first.
No,
I am gonna eat Zuna. Yummy Zuna. Okay. So Zuna is telling me the sound. And okay. So and sorry. And is making a new sound. Which new sound? ch, 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 ch. Okay? Okay, wonderful. So let's start. I'm writing the word for you on a paper. Okay? And so that you will be able to see it properly. Okay. Let's write the first word. Everyone. I'm angry. Suzanne is talking too much. I'm angry. May I eat you?
No.
Okay, I'll forgive you. Let's write the word. The first word is ch. At. Ch. At. Chat. What is chat? We chat. We are chatting, talking. So how many sounds are there? Don't forget to put the sound buttons. No. No. It is ch. It is a new sound which we are learning. It is a ch.
No.
At. Can you see?
This one sound.
Is it visible? Is it clearly visible on the screen?
No.
No, ma'am. Why? But why? Tell me which screen is not.
Yes, visible.
Okay. Now word. Can you see the word?
Yeah.
Okay. So they know the sound ch. They know the sound a. They know the sound t. So don't tell the child to write C-H-A-T. It's wrong way. Don't teach like this, okay? You have to tell this way. Ch, at. Okay, write it, everyone. Don't forget to put the sound button. Written, everyone. May I write the next word? Everyone, show me. I am getting angry. Nobody is saying I have written. Show me fast your work. Otherwise, I'm gonna eat you. I'm very hungry today.
I have done.
Very good. Ishani, I leave you. Ishani is not. I'm not gonna eat Ishani.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good, everyone. So everyone is getting star. I'm not gonna eat anyone. Next word. Okay. Every day, mama or grandma, they chop the vegetables. Chop. What is chop? We chop the vegetable. If you will not write the word, I'm gonna chop you and I'm gonna eat you. Can I chop you? May I chop you? No. Then write fast. Otherwise, today Cheetah is very hungry. Okay. Sound button. Don't forget to write it in your brain. Write it in your brain. Okay?
No, Ishan. It's just one sound.
I have finished, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
I finished.
Very good. Don't forget to put the sound button. Okay. Now listen. Next word. Sure. Right, everyone. Sure.
Finished, ma'am. Finish.
Chess. Do you play chess?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you play chess?
Yes, ma'am.
No. So you must play chess. Okay. Very fast.
I have done.
Very good. Okay. I am going to teacher. What teacher does? I am going to check. Teacher.
Next.
Check.
Sound button.
Finish.
Ma'am.
Finish.
Check.
Cheetah.
Have you written the word check? I'm going to check your work. Write it, everyone. I had taught you when curly cur and kicking cur will come together. Yes? When kicking cur and curly cur will come together. We had learned vowels. Yes, before k. Which sound is there? What is there before k? Vowel.
Finish. Mom.
Where is your ma'am? Where is your ma'am, Anamika?
Cheetah.
Oh, yes. Today there is no ma'am. Say finish. Cheetah. Okay. So written. Okay. Okay. Now listen.
I have done.
The word is I. I. Pinch. Pinch. Don't forget to put the sound button. Pinch. May I come and pinch you? May I come and pinch you? What is pinch? Pinch yourself. Pinch yourself. Cheetah is gonna pinch you with sharp nails. May I pinch you?
I have done.
Very good.
Mom.
Very
Cheetah.
good. Yes, who said ma'am? Where is your ma'am? There is no ma'am. Who is there in the class today?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Can you see my sharp teeth and my sharp nails?
Cheetah.
Okay. So next word we are going to write is
Cheetah.
Huh? Yes?
RICH.
Yes, Zuna, tell me.
Cheetah.
Where is teacher?
Cheetah.
Yes, Cheetah, ma'am. Okay, written?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Rich.
Cheetah.
Okay, so everyone has done. Okay. Okay, now see, listen. The word which I am going to teach you is this. When we hold all the pencils together, this is called bunch. Bunch of pencils. What do we call it? Bunch. So many pencils together, we call it bunch. Okay? So the next word is bunch.
And I love pencil.
Say the sound and you will write the correct word. Sh. Bunch. Okay, so Cheetah is happy to see your work. Everyone. Pick up and
Bunch.
show me your work.
Bunch ഇത് ഇല്ല bunch
Finish cheetah. Finish cheetah.
Very good. Who said ma'am? Where is your ma'am? I'm gonna eat your ma'am also. I have eaten your ma'am today. I was very hungry, so I have eaten your ma'am.
Read it.
Yes.
Cheetah.
Excuse me for a second, okay? You read all the words, revise all the words.
Read up. Read up.
Chat.
Oh.
Chop.
Next.
Use these one.
I have done. Cat. Cat.
I was looking at you, no one was reading.
Read it, Ishan.
No one was reading. So I'm gonna eat you all today also. I've eaten your teacher. Teacher! Teacher! Say the word teacher. Teacher! Ch! Ch! Teacher! Yes! Cheetah teacher! Cheetah teacher! I'm a cheetah teacher. Okay. Now next word. Next word. Ready?
Next.
Sh. Much.
Much.
Ch. Much. Much.
ഇത്
Tin. Okay. I can see everyone.
Finish.
Oh,
Finish.
here is ma'am.
Finish.
Cheetah is there. Yes. Okay, next word. Ch. A. Are you all wearing a chain? Are you all wearing a chain? Yes? Yes. So, A. Okay. Check the sound. Check the sound. Ch. A. Chain. We had learned the sound. A. A. Yes?
ഇതണ്ട
Drink water.
Yes. Bring some for Cheetah also. Cheetah is also thirsty.
ഐ ഐ ഐ ഐ നോക്ക്
Written. Okay, so I am little hungry and I want to have chips. Chips.
സൗണ്ട് ബട്ടൺ ഇട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നൊന്ന് സെൻട്രൽ എടുത്ത്
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ചിപ്സ്
ഐ
CHIPS
ഓക്കെ നെക്സ്റ്റ്
Next word, ma'am.
Where is your ma'am? Again, I'm angry. I'm gonna eat your soda. I'm a cheetah teacher. I have a sound ch. Yes.
Chips S
Chips. Okay. If you will not write, I'm gonna pull your ch.
ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിച്ച്
Finish,
ഇതെന്താ പെണ്ണ്
Cheetah. I am going to pull your cheek. Which sound it is? E R E R E R E R. Okay. Done. Okay. Then write the word.
CHPEK.
No. Cheetah is angry. Don't teach like this. Sounds. Sounds. Cheetah is angry. Don't teach like this. Ch. Eek. Cheek. E. The sound is ch. And the sound is E-R. E-R. We had learned the sound. Yes.
ഒരു
EK.
Very good. Okay. So next word is okay. Have you seen a baby? Have you seen a hen? Hen around you?
Chick.
Chick. Yes. So how will you write? Eh? Now both k will come. Why both will k will come? Because before k, vowel is there. Okay, you have written this word also, Ishani. Last one. This is the last word for the day.
ലാസ്റ്റ് വേർഡ് അത് എഴുതിക്കോ സാർ ചിക്ക്
I am hungry now. I want to eat. One of you. Tell me, who wants to come? Whom should I chop? Chop. Huh? Ishani? Okay. Can you write the word chin? Now it's your homework. Write the word chin. Chin. Where is your chin? Touch your chin, everyone. This is a chin. Chin. Write the word chin.
I have done.
Write the word chin. Chin. Write it. Chin. Very good. Wonderful work.
ചിന്ന ഇത്
Ishani, wonderful.
ഏത്
Chin. Have you written chin?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to read these words and send me a small video in which you are reading all the words. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay,
So Cheetah
Cheetah.
is saying bye-bye to you.
Okay, Cheetah.
Cheetah is saying bye-bye to you. Okay. You want to play one game with me? You want to play one game with me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know rock, paper, scissor? Do you know rock, paper, scissor?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let's play. Let's play with teacher.
Rock,
Rock,
paper,
paper, scissors.
scissors.
What is your answer? What is your pick?
Scissors.
I'm also scissor. Same pinch. Same pinch. Okay, next. Rock, paper, scissors. I am rock. I'm gonna crush you all. I won. Okay, rock and rock. Okay, so rock and rock are friends. Okay, next. Again. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock. I'll crush you. Tick, 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 tick. I won. Okay. Again, one more last.
No, paper, scissors.
Paper, scissor. Oh,
Paper, scissors.
I'm paper. Oh. Okay. Okay. So bye bye. Cheetah is saying bye bye. Cheetah is gonna eat your Kiran teacher and saying bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day. See you.
Bye, Tita. See you.
Bye.
Tita. Have a nice
Bye
day,
bye.
Tita.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.